Mr. Kellogg has shared with us in his writings, and what we've learned of his work is that cooperative planning plus intelligent study leads to group action on behalf of a community. Our Battle Creek Vision effort was following that approach. We brought people together across the community, and we said, how do we want to improve this community?
We have 4 public school districts, and there was a feeling, a hunch people had, and a lot of data that actually showed that there were some disparities between the 4 districts, but it had never been put together comprehensively into a report.
There was a task force. They decided that they wanted to be informed by a study.
The group in the community that was working on that decided to commission a study with New York University with the support of the Kellogg Foundation.
The study revealed some very structural issues as it related to the system in general, and particularly Battle Creek Public Schools. What we were able to create is a willingness for the first time to actually address something that we've known for a very long time. And to our surprise, when we approached the Battle Creek Public School System, their leader had already developed a plan. They knew what they were dealing with.
We listened to what the district needed, and we supported the vision that was already created very comprehensively by the district. The superintendent had already identified what she could do within her financial means and where the gaps were. And we came in and said, we're going to be able to fund where the gaps are. Failure is not an option here.
Our racial equity work was at the core of this grant. We couldn't play it safe any longer in our own backyard if we really wanted to see change for children.
We are bringing our whole selves into this partnership in support of Battle Creek Public Schools.
While we still are in relationship with the other school districts, Battle Creek Public Schools has become where our focus and attention is right now. There are still lots of opportunities for all of the districts to collaborate together, but we really are more targeted than we've ever been before.
Exactly what Mr. Kellogg said would happen, happened. And that is when you bring people together around a collaborative effort, you infuse them and they share an understanding, then they can act together. This grant is going to prove that with great leadership, with a great plan, and with adequate resources, you can change outcomes for children's education in this country.